One way you could add other languages into your story times is using a familiar rhyme that's been translated into multiple languages, and one of those is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. The Te Reo version is Tiramarama ngā whetū. Ngā is a plural, so it's Twinkle Twinkle Little Stars, right? Otherwise, same action. So, are we ready? This is how I do it. Sure, everybody has different actions, but here we go. Tiramarama ngā whetū, kei te pēhea koutou, ki runga ākera, hei taimana rite. Tiramarama ngā whetū, kei te pēhea koutou. Good job. Excuse me while I just get my prop of Tabitha. Excuse me, Miss Tabby. Alright, so if you were doing this for a lap time or a baby visit, thank you, Tabs, and the babies are on the ground, when you're doing up is this way, not that way, okay? So, thank you, Tabitha, for demonstrating. Right. Tiramarama ngā whetū, kei te pēhea koutou, ki runga ākera, hei taimana rite. Tiramarama ngā whetū, kei te pēhea koutou. Thanks, Tabs. So doing that way means you're practicing their little eyes, getting their eyes to move too. Eyes have muscles in them that need exercising as much as any other muscle in your body. So this is a great song for that, and it's a nice familiar song and one that we all know and have learned. So see what other languages you can find it in and incorporate into your story time where appropriate. So ka kite no, see you again. Thanks, Tab.